In the last subtopic, I explained to you how to write content to a file. Now, the problem with this is that anytime you pass any string you pass into the .write method automatically overwrites all the content which is present in the text file. But what if you don't want to replace all the content? What if you just want to add to it? Now, this is a different write mode, or this is a different file mode, which is called the append. And it basically opens a file for appending. It also creates the file if it does not exist. So you can see that write and append have something in common. What they have in common is that they basically create a file if the file does not exist. So the only difference is that what the write mode does is that it automatically, overwrites everything that exists in the file. But the append mode is basically going to add contents to the file. So it doesn't overwrite it, it just adds content. Let's just see how that is going to work. So I will create a new file and call it append to file.py. So append underscore to underscore file.py. So let me just copy this right now. And I am going to call this my file is equals to open chapter 9, and then we're still opening that test.txt from the last subtopic. Now notice that this is the content which is there. I am human and not an alien. So what we want to do is we want to add content to this, right? So instead of opening it in write mode, we're going to open it in append mode. So you are basically telling Python that, okay, I want to open this file or create this file if it does not exist. And what I basically want to do is I just want to append or add more data to the file. So in order to basically add more data to the file, I'm going to call the variable. I'm going to say my file.write. And in here, I'll just say, and I live on Earth, right? So I just want to add and I live on Earth to this text file, basically. Now, I want you to note something. You might be confused by saying, but why are we writing .write? Isn't there a .append mode? Now, that is a perfectly good question because I was also confused when I had first seen it. But as long as you have specified that you want to work with this file in append mode, we are going to still call the .write and it won't overwrite everything that exists. It will only add this content to it. Now, again, the last thing that we just need to do is call my file.close. Remember, you always need to close the file after working with it. So let's run this program and see what happens. So when it has finished running, just open the text file. So you can see exactly what happened. It said the content is I am human and not an alien. And then we have the second text which we had added to it, and I live on Earth. So we can see exactly how we can actually add text to a text file. But you are going to notice that there is no space between the last sentence and the new sentence. That is because Python just automatically mashed them together. But what we can do is that we can just come here, put the full stop and put space. And once I run that and open the file, you can then see that Python appended that exact value to it. So it puts the full stop as well as the other text which was added to it. So there's also something interesting that we can do. So I will just undo the change that was made. Now, something else that is interesting that we can do is we can create a new line in a text file. So let's say I wanted to add this and I live on Earth to the next line instead of writing everything on one line. We can make use of the new line character, which is \n. If you remember when we had talked about this new line character. What it's basically going to do is that it will write this \n, which stands for new line, to the text file, and it's going to write it's basically going to write all of this to a new line because we have put the \n, indicating that we want to go to a new line. So once I run this file and open it, you see that and I live on Earth has been written to its own new line. So that is basically how the append mode works. It basically adds more content to a text file instead of overwriting everything that exists like the write mode.